Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate how to put the 4x4 lace topper by backcombing it. I'm going to demonstrate it on our lovely model Tanya. So the 4x4 is going to help in increasing your front area volume and also your crown volume. So this is how you go about it. So all our toppers can be backcombed. Right now I'll just wet the roots of the 4x4 one. You can just spray a little water or just run it under a tap water. Then I'm going to comb this back. So with all the toppers, you need to wet the roots in order to change the parting. Now that I have done so, I'm going to place this on Tanya and show you how it's put on. So you horizontally section some hair out. So this hair is going to cover the topper. So right now I have left quite a lot of hair in front because you want to place the topper a little behind, but you can place it closer to your forehead as well. I'm just going to put this accessory on. As you can see, it has added a lot of volume in this region. So it's great for people who want to add volume when they are doing a puff or even in the crown area.